A frozen computer is frustrating, but you can almost always recover it. In this video, we will explain how to fix a frozen or unresponsive Windows PC. First, give it a moment. Sometimes the computer is just busy and will respond after a short wait. If the mouse moves but nothing clicks, try pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open the task manager. Find the program that is not responding, select it, and choose End Task to force it closed. If the entire screen is frozen and the keyboard works, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to bring up options, including signing out or restarting. When nothing responds at all, you may need to perform a hard restart by holding the power button for several seconds until the computer turns off, then turning it back on. Use this only as a last resort, since it can risk unsaved work. After recovering, investigate the cause. Check for overheating, update your drivers, scan for malware, and make sure you have enough free memory and disk space. Addressing the root cause prevents future freezes and keeps your PC running reliably.